Hey guys, today we've got a few products that we are looking at from DBPOWER. They sent us out some stuff to review, so in this video we're going to look at a soundbar and two action cameras. This video is sponsored by DBPOWER. This is a 37-inch soundbar. It is a 2.1 channel setup with options for wired and Bluetooth connectivity. On the back you'll see ports for left and right line in, optical in, and of course your standard aux cables as well. This speaker system does include mounting brackets on the back so you can mount it to your wall right under your TV. The center of the soundbar has an LED display which will tell you what input you have selected, display your volume levels, and more. Here you can see the speakers. There are two on each side of the soundbar. The soundbar comes with a basic remote which allows you to control everything. Let's set this up for an audio test. I'll just record a bit of this track with my professional mic to give you an idea of how these speakers sound. The soundbar is listed at only $69.99 on Amazon, but with the coupon listed in the description, you can get it for only $48.99. Now we are going to check out the EX7000 action camera. This camera features a 2-inch touchscreen, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, 14 megapixel still shots, Wi-Fi, and a 4K resolution. This is a really great action camera that comes with tons of accessories. It's worth noting that this model uses upscaling to achieve the 4K video. Right now I've got it in the waterproof case that comes with it. These are all of the accessories that are included with the action cam. It even comes with an extra battery, which I love. There's a 2-inch touchscreen on the back. You've got the micro SD card slot, HDMI, and mini USB port on the side here. On the bottom you have a tripod mount as well as the battery slot. The UI is surprisingly simple and very responsive. It's easy to get in here and change any of the settings quickly. For example, I'll just go in and switch my video to 4K and the field of view to ultra wide. Now I'm ready to shoot. The next action cam is the D5 model. The only difference between the two is that the D5 shoots in native 4K resolution. It comes with all of the same accessories and features as the EX7000. These action cameras are normally listed at $59.99 on Amazon, but using the code in the description you can get them for only $38.99. So check out some of the super affordable tech with the links down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.